Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're showcasing the perfect solution for Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu practitioners looking to display their hard-earned belts and medals in style. Introducing the Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu belt display, a sleek and functional belt rack designed to hold up to 5 belts, from white to black, with an added feature of 3 optional hooks for hanging medals. This belt holder is crafted by BJJ players for BJJ players, ensuring it meets the needs of martial artists who understand the importance of showcasing their dedication and achievements. Assembly is a breeze with detailed video and text instructions included, requiring only a Phillips head screwdriver to get it up and ready. Whether you're a seasoned fighter or just starting your journey, this display makes an awesome gift for any martial artist, serving as a constant reminder of their hard work and perseverance. Proudly brought to you by Alley Cats, an American-owned small business, this belt display is more than just a holder. It's a testament to the passion and commitment of every BJJ enthusiast. So, if you're looking to honor your martial arts journey or surprise a fellow practitioner, this belt rack is the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.